So recently, guys, um, a couple of days ago, I got this Silent Night 5808 addressable fire alarm control panel. It was given to me by my assistant principal at my high school. So this was sort of like my early Christmas gift from him. So I want to thank him for giving me this as my gift, because since I never worked on a control panel, this is my opportunity to learn how to wire devices up to this. And I know that this unit is compatible with Silent Night devices, so that's why I have this, my Silent Night SD500-PS addressable pole station, and I do have some wires for it, but I'm still having some issues programming the module um, to the panel, and I read that the unit is compatible with wheel lock devices. What this one is a wheel lock RSS-2475W strobe. I read that these panels are compatible with this, but I'm not too sure. And I do have the power to power up this. I don't have batteries, so it's gonna be giving me some battery issues, but I'll get that fixed up. So that was it, guys. I just wanted to do this video and show you guys some more. I'm just gonna. Damn. Sorry, guys. It's not focusing well. I need to get a more lens, but anyway, it has VGA. I don't know for what. Possibly to control this on a computer or something, I don't know. And the question that I kinda want to ask you guys is that are these boards high voltage or low voltage? Because I don't want to put too much power on to this device, because since this is my only one and I really want to use this on this. So yeah, so I hope that you guys can help me with that. So that was it. So that's it for this video, and if you did enjoy it, then thank you so much for watching this. Thank you.